How to make thumbnails for YouTube videos in CapCut. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using CapCut. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your device and create a new project. Now, select a high-quality image or screenshot from your video that you want to use as your thumbnail background. And also download the app's logo on which you have made the video. Then tap on Add. Next, tap on the logo picture below here. Slide through the bottom menu. And tap on the overlay option from the menu. Once the overlay is done, then drag the logo's picture under the background picture. It will look like this. Then adjust the size of the logo in the thumbnail. And after that, adjust the position of the logo. Once you are done with the logo, go to the bottom menu and tap on the text option. And then select Add Text. Type in the text that you want, add the title of the YouTube video. Once you're done typing, then set the font and style of the text, as well as adjust the size of the font. Once the text editing is done, then preview your thumbnail. Once you're happy with the final look, tap on Export and save the image in high quality. That's all for the video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.